G'day everybody. Hope everybody's happy and healthy. This is just a quick rundown. This is my 2024 GMC Sierra SLT. Sorry for the shakes there. I've had 2 coffees already this morning. But just to give you a rundown on some of the features, on your main screen, here's your settings button. And this will go into a whole bunch of different things. The main one you want to look for off the start when you get a vehicle is into vehicle. And this will give you things like teen driver. What this does is you can put settings if you have some teens that are loons behind the wheel, and you can adjust that. Rear seat reminder, this is in case you've got a pet or kids and you're busy and you take off. It'll remind you when you're leaving the vehicle that something's in the back. Buckle to drive, I turn this off because it is absolutely annoying, and especially when the zombie apocalypse hits. You have to get in and it won't go into drive unless you buckle up, so that's kind of a pain. I always have that off. Climate and air control, just go. I have everything checked on. As you can see, ventilated seats, heated, defog, rear defog. I keep the fan at medium. Collision detection system, you can go through that. It goes through. I have, this is kind of neat, safety alert seat. I thought there was something wrong with the truck when I first bought it. So when I was backing up and a car was coming down the street, coming from my right, there was vibrating under my right butt cheek. And then I learned that when a car was coming from the left, the seat will vibrate on your left butt cheek, so you know what side it's coming from. There's going to be a display on here too, like an emergency thing, something like what our hazard sign looks like, on the side of the screen that the vehicle's coming. Obviously, I think you guys will keep all of these sorts of things on. I don't know why you wouldn't, like front pedestrian braking. That's if somebody's walking in front of you. Park assist is always really good. Park assist tow bar, I'd be honest with you, I don't even know. Oh, okay, that's for your, if you got your trailer hitch on the back there. Rear cross traffic braking, that's on. These are all things I think it's up to you what you want to do with it. Comfort and convenience. Chime volume, as soon as you get your car, go into this and turn it right down, because when you first get it, it is loud and annoying. Reverse tilt mirror, that's up to you. Reverse remote mirror folding, it's up to you. I've got it on. I always have rain sense wipers on. Some people don't like it. I always like it. Just keep going here. Lighting, I mean, I always keep the lights on for 30 seconds. We live out in the country. Kind of lights my way up to the house when I leave the vehicle. Going on, power door locks. I don't know why you wouldn't have auto door locks on all your door locks, and maybe some of you would use that, but I don't think I would. Why you would delay locking your doors, I don't know. Maybe it's you're always forgetting something. To keep going down, seating position, it's up to you. This is so that when you get into the vehicle, your seat will go to what your automatic setting is, what you like. And then when you turn it off and exit the vehicle, this is kind of good if you want room to get out, because you can set it so the seat goes, like for example, all the way back. So it gives you a little more room to get out of the vehicle. And trailering, that can be a whole other video. I'm not a big trailer person yet. I plan on getting a boat, so I'll get into this more. But for you folks that have trailers, these are all things that you would love for your vehicle. So that's just a quick rundown on some of the things available to you on your GM vehicle. Again, this is my 2024 GMC SLT. Love the vehicle so far, but so much to learn. And there'll probably be some more videos on the future on some other things that this truck can do. Okay, hope you have a great day. Be safe.